Ready? Go. Oh yeah, go. You're good.
Really gave a laser tag going on.
So just wash them cold, right? I just enjoyed it so much to be over here with you guys. I felt everybody off you and who I felt out. My girls, my coach, we were just beautiful. And if we had roll and Mo over there too, oh my God, we would have cleaned up. Right? I need to tell them the story of Chris Brown. So I'm being the coach and I'm standing by the table to go.
Oh, okay.
It's 2 and gum, right? And I think it was you and her. They're playing a match against the Israeli and girl or something like that. I'm standing there and they got their birthday. So Chris is playing goalie, right? And she's like, she has gum in her mouth.
Ready?
Put the gum around my hand. I'm like, all right, well, I'm coach, I want to do what I can. Later on, later in the day, the next day, she had dropped her eyeliner or some kind of lip balm or something down in the lane outside and she got her cell. And she's like, Mike. I'm like, hey, Chris, I dropped the fucking gun. But I still went to those pro dudes. She's like, okay, let me get my she's a character.
That had to be the highlight of my
That was really fun.
Man, I tell you, that was just...
Of course, if I would have gone as a player, I would have much
Yeah.
The highlight of my football career is that we were just a red squad on the sheet back then. In 1980, World Championships West in Finland. That's when we had the World Championships. I was a rookie. I started to play some rookie. It was big, yeah. I just never got to make what you guys do. You guys are. Yeah, you can, man. Yeah, she took it home in car that year. Yeah, I know. I got a little trophy about it. Well, she took on the car. I took on my little trophy. They own it. Here? Yeah. Oh, yeah? You should get gas tomorrow. Really? ride. Hotel room. And I asked him, I spotted her name her phone. He said, if I go, I'll be your friend.
Only person he knew.
What are the odds of that? Oh my god. That's pretty cool. When you think about it, it's all small world. Us here. One big family. Here's a little tidbit. My ex-wife grew up in Minnesota. She used to date Doug Flutie. She played baseball. Yeah, she played. You remember Katie? She was pretty good, actually. Well, not like these girls do. These ex-wife. I don't even care what he said. I don't even care. She dated me. Yeah, she picked me. Actually, she used to date Morgan Harris. I don't know if you're familiar with her. I stole her. No, she was pretty good. She was. You got money on you? Wait till the couple. These are my local. Anything we can do. I love it. So somebody picked me. Because I'm the only real fireball tournament. He said that I'm going to go over that. I'm going to really promote the U.S. strong. He said maybe I should tell her. There's something different. I don't like it as much as I want. They're a little bit stepped up there. I don't think they're a little bit tables for Dennis. I don't want you to eat fast. I bought a few. You know the little I got some. I'm trying to get a key in the lock that's dangling like that. Oh, you're right. So So what I do is, you know this old Larry, push.
Yes! Rick?
Right?
I'm recording, I can't move.
Hey.
Table number 2. Bill Hinston, Kenny Rivera, playing both Cassidy and Alex Woods on table number 2. Table number 2. Bill Hinston and Kenny Rivera, playing both Cassidy and Alex Woods on table number 2.
Oh, sorry. Hold on, Rick. Hold on. Ready?
Table number 4. Ray Williams and Ty Shore playing Blake Crossdale and Mike Goldberg on table number 4. Table number 6. Bob Cassidy and Mike Truman play Jens Berger and Harold Hutchison on table number 6. Table number 6. Bob Cassidy and Mike Truman play Jens Berger and Harold Hutchison on table number 6.
We're
Yes!
guess just go for red button on that. Yeah, I know.